What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pretty Boy Rob and I'm gonna be chilling with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For today's video, we grabbed these sneakers directly from our drop-off cleaning station that is located inside Many Worlds. If you guys didn't know, we have a drop-off station where customers can bring their shoes and get them serviced. However, we just launched an online feature where you can send shoes in from across the nation and get them serviced by some shoe care specialists. You never even know. You might send some shoes in and they might be featured on an episode of Shoe Care Academy. But huge shout out to Rod for dropping these sneakers off. He chose our signature package, so we are gonna be using our signature shoe cleaning kit to get the best possible results. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it, so let's hop straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, guys, before we get started with today's cleaning video, I just want to give a quick little sentimental segment. As you guys know, working for a company, employees tend to move on. Big shout out to Matt. He put his time and energy with the company, but unfortunately he decided to part ways. So it's only right, we pour out some for the homie. We also lost Johnny Bubbles, and we haven't done this for him, so it's only right. We love you, Johnny Bubbles. We got to pour one out for you too, big dog. Now we can go to get started with this cleaning. As you can see, our cleaning station is all prepped. If you're new to the channel, we only clean one shoe just for that before and after effect. However, like I said, these are Rod shoes, so we are gonna be cleaning both just off camera. So I'm just gonna grab this left shoe, set it aside, and we're gonna only be focusing on the right shoe. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these double laces and then insert our adjustable shoe tree. So here I go. Just gonna insert it like so. All right, to start this cleaning off, we're just gonna grab our soft bristle brush and really just dry brush all these suede panels just to get all that loose dirt and debris off. That way we're not just making a muddy, murky mess when we start the cleaning process. So I'm just gonna get to that now. Right after I do this, I am just gonna jump straight into grabbing our solution and pouring it inside our bowl of water. Let's go ahead and just jump straight into this cleaning with our soft bristle brush and dip it into our bowl of water solution mixture. All right, I'm all done using our soft bristle brush. It cleaned up the suede great as well as this mesh. However, I am noticing some deeper stains in this swoosh. Right now, I'm just gonna grab our medium bristle brush, pay closer attention to detail on that swoosh as well as this midsole. So let's get it, let's go. All right, y'all, we're all done using our soft and medium brush on these Sacais. But before I get to our stiff bristle brush, I just want to talk a little bit about this sneaker. This is the Nike LDWaffle Sacai X Fragment. A little three-way collab for y'all with Fragment, Sacai, and Nike. I don't know if you guys saw the last Sacai video we did, but I definitely had some challenges. If you guys haven't peeped that video, make sure you check it out. We literally had to pull out all of the tools and tips just to get the possible clean. Luckily for this one, it's cleaning up just great. But right now, I'm just gonna grab our stiff bristle brush and really focus on that outsole and that midsole. So let's get it. All right, guys, we're all done using our stiff bristle brush on this outsole. But why don't you guys let us know in the comment section below if you're a fan of the midsole on the Sacai waffle. To me personally, I'm rocking with the midsole. It reminds me of those old classic Japanese style sandals, and with Sacai being a Japanese brand, it only makes sense. But again, let us know in the comment section below. Last thing we gotta do for this pre-treatment is just take care of both of our laces and then insert it in our sneaker laundry bag. So I'm gonna get to that right now. All right, right now we just gotta rub them between our hands. All right, we're pretty much done with our pre-treatment. Right now, we just gotta go ahead and put this shoe inside our sneaker laundry bag, as well as our laces. I know y'all are gonna probably roast us in the comments saying, why are you putting the suede shoe in the washer? Well, I can let you guys know we've cleaned countless of suede shoes in the past, and one good thing about a gray suede, we don't experience any type of color bleeding or transfer. So we are gonna put the shoe in the washer to get that best possible clean. Like I said at the beginning, Rod chose our RESHOEVN8 signature package. So with that package, he's gonna get the full laundry system. Plus we are gonna go back and treat that suede, so there's not much to worry about. With all that being said, like I said, about to go to the wash machine, and we will let these shoes dry for about 24 hours, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, guys, we are back. We did go and let these Sacai fragments dry for about 24 hours, and we came back and we are dealing with some crunchy suede. If you guys didn't know, anytime you get suede wet, it is gonna have this crunchy texture, and here at RESHOEVN8, we don't like crunchy suede. That's why we brought all the tools in our cleaning arsenal so we could go ahead and restore this suede. However, before I do that, I just wanna talk a little bit about the cleaning package that my guy Rod purchased. He purchased our Signature RESHOEVN8, which is gonna be a deep clean using our Signature kit. Plus, we are gonna go ahead and restore the suede when applicable. So when you guys are on the site, you'll notice we have several different cleaning packages, such as our Essential, our White Glove Service, plenty of add-ons such as our repellent packages, Soul Shield applications, and yes, even deoxidation services. If you did have any questions, you could definitely use our chat feature, and we would love to walk you through what cleaning service is gonna be best for you and your sneakers. Also, feel free to use that link in the description to save you guys 10% off your first cleaning service order. With all that being said, we can jump straight to bringing this suede back to life. First things first, we are gonna be using our Dry Suede Kit because I am noticing some deeper stains that are still trapped in the suede around the toe box and the back panels. So I'm gonna focus on those stains right now, then brush it off. Then we're gonna jump to our Brass Bristle Brush and really reset this nap. But I'll talk about that once I get to it. So here we go. All right, guys, I'm all done with our Dry Suede Kit. Right now, I'm about to grab our Brass Bristle Brush and really focus on this suede, brush in multiple directions to help reset it. So let's get it. When using the Brass Bristle Brush, you do want to let the brush do the work. The brushes are very dense, so it could essentially damage the material. So again, just let the brush do the work and don't scrub too hard. All right, guys, we're pretty much all done resetting the nap. We got it nice and buttery and plush once again. We achieved these results using our Dry Suede Kit with the medium brush as well as our Brass Bristle Brush. Last thing we really got to do is just go ahead and grab our Minky Poo, horsehair brush, step outside, and we're just going to go ahead and restore this suede. So let's get it. Minky Poo. All right, guys, we are back from outside. We did go ahead and get this shoe all mink oiled up. We rubbed it in using our horsehair brush as well as you saw. But right now, we just got to go ahead and get this thing laced up. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these Nike Sacai fragments. We achieved these results with all the products you saw in today's video that are available at RESHOEVN8.com. Also, this specific cleaning was actually a local customer who dropped off his shoes. So remember, guys, if you're local in Arizona or if you're anywhere across the nation, you could always send us your shoes and we'll clean them up. But before I get out of here, let me go ahead and just recap exactly how I got these results. First things first, we used all three of our signature brushes and broke down the dirt and grime all over the shoes in the appropriate sections. We then put this shoe in the washer, washed with cold water and our sneaker laundry detergent. Came back, let it dry. We used all of our suede tools to go ahead and restore this suede, and then we got these results. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.